Doctor, how do you know a productive pond?
A productive pond?
Yes.
Very easy. You see, one of the problems we have in this industry is a lot of people don't really understand fish farming. Fish farming is not about taking fish and putting inside water. Fish farming is far more technical than that, and it has to do with your management. Check this water now. This water, is it productive or not productive? Some people might say it's not productive. Some people say productive. But to me, one of the ways you can determine whether the pond is productive or not is by the color of the water. The water must maintain a plankton green color. 1. 2, that shows life. And if it shows life, you have to check. Does light get to the bottom? You put your hand inside the water, up to your elbow. If I can see my palms, if I can see my fingers, like I'm seeing my fingers now, if I can see my fingers, it means that this pond is productive. Because check something. If you put fish here, and you put fish in this type of tank, and the water is transparent, the fishes here are always in motion and they will not have awareness. But the fishes here are in darkness. The color here will be different from the color there. The fishes here will do better because the atmosphere there is life, there is plankton growing. That means it's not only your food they are depending on, they're also depending on natural food. And let me tell you something, natural food grows fish well. In earthen ponds, if your ponds, you do not desilt after each or after a certain period of culture, your ponds will become muddy. But if you desilt regularly, your pond will become green. And for you to change the water in the pond, you have to do one thing. You do your hand test. If I can see my fingers like I'm seeing up to my elbow, then that means my pond is okay. But if it's not, then you change water like I'm changing water. I'm just changing water now just because I just feel like changing water because I have light. I feel like changing water. Because maybe tomorrow I may not have light. So that is how we roll in Magnificat. So that's how you know a product. A very fast way. Every other thing, go on to my Facebook page or my WhatsApp status. Follow me and be updated. That's Magnificat Farms and Fisheries, and that's how we roll.
Yeah, thank you, sir.